Hello friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel Plants Care by Abhishek. In this video, I am going to share 3 major mistakes which we used to do while taking care of our indoor plants. These are the very common mistakes which not only impact the growth of our indoor plants, but due to these errors, our plants also struggle to survive. Friends, before I start this video, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button so that you can get the notification for all my upcoming videos of indoor plants care series. Let's start our video now. Most of the people are under the impression that all the indoor plants are same and they all need same treatment of watering, and they start watering their indoor plants equally. Every plant has different requirements of watering, and overwatering is one of the biggest reasons due to which our indoor plants do not survive. Few plants need watering in 8 to 10 days interval only. However, some of the plants fall into the category which need water in 2 to 3 days interval, because these plants love moisture very much and we have to maintain the moisture level into their soil. Hence, before the soil is dry, we have to watering these plants. Friends, my suggestion is whenever you buy any indoor plants, get all the detailed knowledge of their watering requirements and then start watering to these plants. Let's talk about mistake number 2, which is fertilizer. While taking care of our indoor plants, we usually ignore the fertilizer requirements of our plants, and the result of this ignorance is our plants do not get the nutrition properly, due to which their growth get impacted and sometimes they even don't survive. My suggestion is to fertilize your indoor plants in 1 or 2 months of regular intervals. Here you can use any solid or liquid fertilizer, like you can use homemade fertilizers, vermicompost, and you can also use seaweed liquid fertilizer for the growth of your indoor plants. Friends, in mistake number 3, I would like to talk about sunlight. Sunlight used to provide energy to any kind of plant which help plants in their growth. Hence, my suggestion is to provide direct sunlight of 2 to 3 hours to all your indoor plants at least once in a week, so that they can also get those energy and can grow happily. These are the 3 common mistakes which we have to take care of while maintaining the indoor plants. In next video, we will talk about 2 more mistakes which is very common, and we have to take care of those mistakes as well while taking care of our indoor plants, so that we can also help our plant in their growth and survival. Friends, if you like the information, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button so that you can also get the notification for my upcoming videos of indoor plant care series. Till then, goodbye.